Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear router bits deliver American-made quality at factory direct pricing. Solid carbide spiral bits cut cleaner and last longer than brazed carbide bits, but that performance has always cost more. Woodpeckers is closing the price gap by using the latest computerized grinding equipment and selling direct from the manufacturer to the woodworker. No middleman markups and no ocean voyages, just great bits at a great price. Which spiral router bit is right for you? Upcut bits are the best choice for solid wood. Downcut bits slice downward into the surface of the material. You'll get flawless, chip-free edges in veneer plywood and laminates. These straight spiral bits don't have a pilot bearing, so you'll want to use them with an edge guide, a trammel attachment, a horizontal router system, a CNC, or a router table with a fence. We're adding new sizes and profiles every week, so watch your inbox and visit our website to see what's new.